Hi everyone, welcome to this video where I'll guide you step by step on how to recover your Gmail account without password or phone number. Stay tuned for the full solution and don't forget to subscribe for more helpful tips. First, go to your mobile settings. Now find Gmail and click on it. Here you'll see 3 dots, so click on them. Next, go to the help section. Now search here. Lost or stolen phone. Click on it. Now click the first option. Fix common issues with 2-step verification. After that, click here and you'll see tips to complete account recovery steps. Click on it. After that, click on account recovery page. Type in your email. After typing your email, click on Next. Then click on Continue. Here, you can see your Gmail account. If you forgot your Gmail password, you can change it easily by clicking here. If this video was helpful or you solved your problem, subscribe to our channel. And if your account is still missing, comment below. I'll provide another method to help you out. Thanks for watching.